Hello guys, welcome. So we have another problem over here. Staff was sales greater than 1 lakh but less than 1 lakh 30,000. Okay. So we have criteria like this, and also we can add on like uh, should have two-wheeler. That is also another point that I want to add here. Okay. So cool. So what do I do in this case is like, first of all I would want to get these details here and put it up in this place. And what are my conditions? Staff was sales greater than 1 lakh but less than 1 lakh 30,000, and also should have two, right? So in this case, I'm looking for two options here, like greater and lesser than sale. So what do I do? In this case, I just insert another column and then sale here. So greater than 1 lakh and should be lesser than 1 lakh 30,000, right? And then to I say yes, I can either type or just copy paste here. So what are the details that I'm looking for? So I would want to see the name here. I would want to see the sale year, that is more than 1 lakh and lesser than 1 lakh 30,000. And then I want to also check if they have two-wheeler. Right. So same thing. We just have to go to data, click on advanced filter, and you can see the range. But before that, make sure that you don't overwrite this, but I would want it in a different location and right in this place. So A1 to F16, A1 to F16, yes, and then criteria range K1, K1 to Q2, Q2, that's right. So copy to K9. Okay, so it is little vary. It is not K9. I would want it. I don't want here. I want it this place. So this place. And you can get to see the staffs who have achieved more than 1 lakh and less than 1 lakh 30,000 and who has got two. So these are the two staffs that has this detail. So if you want to cross check this column, and yes, yes, more than 1 lakh but less than 1 lakh 30,000. He's got a two-wheeler. And then Irfan, yes, so here and more than 1 lakh and less than 1 lakh 30,000 and got it two. So both the conditions are fulfilled here. That's how we find out by adding another C column. Hope this video was useful. Have a wonderful time. Thank you.